Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we can see how to update record using ScreenFlow. Firstly, I am create one object. Go to Object Manager. After that, create custom object. Name of custom object is user register. Record name is user register ID. It will be auto number. Display format is suppose I write U and starting number is 1. Allow these features, also search status, allow this, and also this. After that, click here save. Tab style, here I am select desk. After that, next. After that, next, and save this. Custom object is successfully created. After that, I am create some fields. Click here fields and relationships. After that, click here new, and first field is for first name. I am select here data type text. After that, next, first name length will be 50. Next, next, 7 new. After that, second field is last name. I am select here data type text. After that, next, field label is last name length will be 50. After that, next, next, 7 new. After that, I am add third field is email. I am select here data type email. Next, field label is email. Next, and 7 new. I am create field name is country. That's why I am select here data type pick list. Next, field label country. I am write name of first country is India, UK, China, UAE, and after that, next, 7 new. I am create here next field is state. That's why I am select here data type text. Next, field label is state length is 50. Next, next, and save. Field is successfully created. Go to app launcher and search here our object user register. I think spelling is mistake. Okay. After that, click here new, and here we can see all field is added in layout. Okay. We can see next process in next video. So please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.